Hello friends, I am Neeraj Yadav. I will represent a technical seminar on HVAC design. These are the table of content of this seminar. Introduction of HVAC system. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. History of HVAC system. HVAC system first discovered in 1902 by Alfred Ball for his own textile. Meaning of HVAC. HVAC, H for heating, V for ventilation, AC for air conditioning. Explanation in next slide. H for heating. Heat is a form of energy which can be transferred by three processes: convection, conduction or radiation, as shown in figure. V for ventilation. Ventilation is the process of changing or replacing of air in any space to control temperature or remove combination of moisture. Basic refrigeration cycle. This cycle is same as refrigeration cycle. Point 1 compressor, second one condenser, third one evaporator. Components of HVAC: furnace, heat exchanger, duct, vent, air conditioning unit, evaporator coil, condensing unit, etc. are the components of HVAC design procedure. Please read carefully. If you have any confusion, then ask me in the comment box. I will answer you soon. Heating load or cooling load calculation. Follow these 6 steps and then calculate heat load easily. Refrigerant volume, and it means that BRV. Some of the figures as shown in slides are BRV system. Softwares used in HVAC designing: AutoCAD, Microsoft Excel, HD psychometric chart, Autodesk, Inventor Fusion, duct sizes, scientific calculation. Much for watching this till the end. If you have any query, then ask me in the comment box. I will answer you soon all these. Thank you.